Hello.
Hi.
Get out of my way. You're in my way.
Hey, little punk.
Just get out of my way. I've got more people on my team.
No.
Yes, I do. See?
Screw it. Screw it.
Don't say words like that.
What? People do it all the time.
Don't.
Dog.
Go away!
Dog. Come on. Come on.
Katie, just hide it and call the dog up. Run away! Run away! Run away! Big dog! Ah! Big dog! What are we gonna do? Ah! Wait for me!
Work your magic. Work your magic. I'm a pretty pony. That's big eye.
Watch out. Mm.
Work your magic. You just make them run out of the middle. Watch.
Doesn't work on your side. Oh, there's your face. Can I see my big one for a second?
Oh. Do that
Uh-oh.
again. What?
I just pushed a button and it wasn't. Oh, never mind. It's fine.
What are we going to title this? Probably redo it because we talk too much.
No, talking's good. It's still going. He looks like Sir Winston. Watch out. Wait. Careful! This is a collector! That was normal. Oh. Like a disco pony. Oh, wait. This is so hard!
It's like trying to do your hair in the mirror.
Hey, Ben! How are you? Work your magic. Work your mind. This is so hard. I'm just about disappearing. Look, I'm gone. Yes, Katie.
You just said my name.
You just said my code name. Okay, let's just stop the video now.